It's amazing, Boo Bear. Wow.
Under there. That's a
Boo.
very lively one.
A very lively one. It's going to be like you, a little kangaroo.
You're such a clever. Oh, yeah, look.
Oh, wow. There are two kicking.
Yeah, each other.
Yeah.
So I don't think that's probably not much room for you to see it on the outside. Look at the full rib cage.
Wow.
A little heartbeat.